Imagine this. You wake up to soft morning light slowly slipping through your window. No alarms, no traffic, no rush, just silence. The kind of silence that feels like it's alive. You step outside with a warm cup of coffee in your hands, and in front of you, a view that doesn't even feel real. Maybe it's snow-covered mountains wrapped in morning mist. Maybe it's a calm lake reflecting the sky like glass, or a quiet forest where the only sound is the wind moving through the trees. And suddenly it hits you. This isn't a vacation. This is your life. This is freedom, a life where your home moves with you, where every sunrise feels new, and every road leads to a different story. And today, we're stepping inside something that turns this dream into reality. Meet the Winnebago Minnie Winnie 22M. At first glance, you might think it's small, but don't judge it yet, because this isn't about size, it's about smart design. Built on the trusted Ford E-Series chassis, this motorhome delivers stability, control, and confidence on the road. Whether it's a weekend escape or a long cross-country journey, it's built to handle it. And here's the sweet spot. At around 24 feet, it finds the perfect balance. Not too big to stress you out, not too small to limit you, just right. Easy to drive, easy to park, easy to explore places bigger RVs can't even reach. For beginners, it builds confidence. For experienced travelers, it saves time and effort. Now look at the exterior. Clean design, practical layout, no unnecessary flash. But the real game changer? That powered awning with LED lighting. Because once you're parked, this isn't just an RV anymore. It becomes your outdoor living space. Picture this: soft lights above you, cool evening air, music playing quietly. That's not camping, that's a lifestyle. Storage is also well thought out. External compartments give you space for chairs, gear, luggage, everything you need for the road. And if you love off-grid travel, optional solar support gives you the freedom to go further and stay longer. No limits, no rush. Now step inside, and the first thing you feel is surprising. It feels bigger than it actually is. Large windows flood the space with natural light, turning a compact RV into an open, airy living space. Everything here has a purpose. Nothing is wasted. The dinette is your multi-use zone. Eat here, work here, relax here. And at night, it transforms into an extra sleeping space. Simple, smart, efficient. Above the cab, there's a spacious bunk area, perfect for kids, guests, or extra storage when you need it. Now the kitchen, small but seriously functional. Two-burner stove, microwave, refrigerator, everything you actually need, nothing you don't. And surprisingly good counter space for cooking on the go. Storage is placed exactly where you need it, no clutter, no confusion. Now the bathroom. This is where most compact RVs struggle, but not this one. Full setup: shower, toilet, sink. Compact, yes, but fully usable. And on long trips, that matters more than anything. At the rear, the bedroom, a comfortable queen-size bed, your personal reset zone after a long day on the road. Above and around it, storage that keeps everything organized and simple. Now let's talk features. A smart touchscreen control system lets you manage lights, water, and power with ease. Entertainment is covered with TV setup, and in some versions, even Wi-Fi support. Climate control keeps you comfortable in every season. Hot summer? No problem. Cold nights? Covered. And this is where Winnebago's reputation matters, because this isn't just about design, it's about trust on the road. Now compared to other motorhomes, 3 things make the 22M stand out. First, size, perfect balance between mobility and comfort. Second, layout, every inch is intelligently used. Third, value, it feels premium without being overwhelming. So here's the question: would you choose a compact, smart motorhome like this, or go for something bigger and more luxurious? Let me know in the comments. I'd really like to see your choice, because at the end of the day, the Winnebago Minnie Winnie 22M isn't just a vehicle, it's a shift in lifestyle. Waking up somewhere new, every day, chasing horizons, without limits, living life on your own terms. That's not just travel, that's freedom. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more motorhome tours. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next road.